It's Andrew from Fine & Country on a glorious early spring day, and we're here just a few miles from Alton in a wonderful parish. The property behind me is about to come to the market, and it's a fantastic rural country property with a wealth of character. It's a fantastic lifestyle opportunity with an adjacent one-bedroom single storey annex. Internally, the property has highly flexible accommodation with a magnificent kitchen with high-end appliances. There's also a large sitting room with a fireplace shown here. Also on the ground floor, there's a utility room, a fourth bedroom, and also an area that will be suitable for an office. On the first floor, there are 3 bedrooms, a spacious bathroom with a double shower and corner bath. Furthermore, the property has a wide range of character features to include dramatic beams, including A-frame beams, exposed stonework, open fireplaces, but also modern comforts such as electric heating and an array of PV solar panels that help mitigate those all-important energy costs. In the grounds, they're very colourful with outstanding views looking over towards Bodmin Moor. There is a double garage with a workshop, 2 cabins, behind me here is the single storey, 1-bedroom annex. It's perfect for those with multi-generational families or those that perhaps want to supplement income by way of renting on either a long-term or short-term holiday basis. So for more information on this enchanting rural character property, please contact Fine & Country on 01566 771919. Thank you.